Hi, this is Ryan with SoftLedger, and today I will be running through a quick overview of our Accounts Receivable module. Here on the first screen, you can see the AR aging, broken out by customer and aging bucket. If you expand each of these customers, you can see their underlying invoices. And if you click on one of the invoices, you can see the invoice details, any accounting entries, and also an audit log of any changes that were made to the invoice. Now moving to the Invoices tab, this shows all invoices with their various statuses and some other information, including the customer, location, amount, and unpaid amount. You can also view the PDF for the invoice, which is customizable. And separately, when it's time to issue the invoice, all you have to do is click this button here, and it will be emailed with the PDF to the email address on file for your customer. This also allows you to segregate duties within SoftLedger, so you can have a separate preparer and approver for each invoice. This concludes the overview of the Accounts Receivable module in SoftLedger. If you would like to learn more, please reach out and set up a demo with us. Thanks for watching.